Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. Today we did the sign down here. It is a Glowforge project using 1/8 inch Baltic birch plywood, and I've been working on this table and I want to do a sign for the front, something fun, something different, so we did Scrabble tiles. Now if this isn't showing up well on camera, we'll put a picture up there for you. Sorry, I'm working on the camera's really far away when I'm doing this, so it's hard for me to see the itty bitty screen with me on it to tell how it looks. But I'm assuming you guys can see all this down here. It says Doug's Basement Workshop, obviously the name of my channel and the name of my woodworking business. So I want to do something fun for the shop, and we did this little sign. Now you can buy this art off of Etsy, the tiles. Just put your own letters in there. I have my graphic artist who made all of my tiles for me, and we bought the letters and we make many different designs with them and make little fridge magnets with words like love, believe, faith, home, all kinds of little fun things with these. And this is just a really big version of those little fridge magnets that we make. So fun, quick, easy project, guys. If you do me a favor, like and subscribe. The next thing you're going to see in my video here is me at the computer making this, and then the Glowforge cutting it out. If you're wondering how I attach this to the front of my little table here, it is attached with double-sided duct tape. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's really great stuff. I use it on my CNC machine quite a bit for holding down my wood with the clamps so that when I'm cutting my tabs it doesn't fly off. So, cool product. The double-sided duct tape, and great for attaching projects for something small like this. And the weight of this it's not going to mess up my tape. I'm pretty sure I would break the plywood trying to peel this off with the double-sided sticky tape. So guys, here's your project for kids' bedroom doors, office door, any kind of little fun signs you want to make. Scrabble tiles. It's a great one. I'm guessing the English teacher in my life is going to be hitting me up for something soon when she sees this video. Alright guys, remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Let's try this again. So now we're going to go through and select each piece. So basement is the first word I dropped in, and that's going to be a cut. These are going to be scores, the little lines between the letters. And that's going to be a cut. That's going to be a stitch marker engrave. Score. Now if you guys want to make one of these at home, I'm lucky enough that I had bought the Scrabble tiles from Etsy, I think. And my graphic artist tips the pieces and meshes them together for me, and did a beautiful job of making these into a usable format for me. But it's really kind of cool. You can buy them already done in blocks of 3 or 4 letters and mesh your own together if you want. Basically what she did was she cut where the pieces overlap, deleted the bottom, and then cut the line again and turned it into a different color for a score. And I don't know why those are showing up in a different color. Why the D and the G are different. It may have something to do with the way she had to make the apostrophe in there. Score. Okay, everything there looks good, I think. Run down through here one more time. There's one random score somewhere. There it is. All right. So move all of our scores and engraves up. And it doesn't really matter what order they're in. This should drive some of the people here who are obsessive about this stuff absolutely crazy. That cut should be last. That cut should be moved up. Last. Last. And last. Our scores and engraves doesn't really matter what order they're in. Just going to jump around a little bit when we're working. Now ideally I don't like having my D and G so far apart. It's going to waste a lot of time going back and forth. But this is a one-time project and it's just for me, so I don't much care how much time it takes. We're not in production right now. We are in the having fun and playing with toys that are way more expensive than what you should have for a toy. Alright guys, let's see how long this is going to take. Nest it in a little bit better. Now if I wanted to, I could drop some table scatter and stuff in here, but like I said, today I'm just having some fun and playing. Sometimes you just gotta make stuff because you want to make it. And just because I don't really want to have to do this all over again, we're going to move that back over just a hair. Plenty of room on that edge, so we don't have to worry about it. Alright, we got 1 hour and 5 minutes of video coming at you guys. I'm sure I'm going to speed this up and it'll show up right after this. So, let's get it started. Alright guys, so as you can see here, it worked perfectly. Oh yeah. This is going to look great in the shop, guys. And that is, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, there's, looks like smoke coming off. It's just powdered char coming off the wood. Alright, next step.